Hey you guys, in this video I'm bringing y'all my glowy spring makeup tutorial. I'm starting off with priming my eyes with Milani's eyeshadow primer. So I want to keep it really simple with this eye look, so I'm using Beauty Creations Tease Me palette and I'm taking the shade Classy and putting that all over my eyelid. Now I'm applying the shade Seduce Me as my transition color. Now moving on to my face, I'm taking my E.L.F. Blemish Control Facial Primer and applying that all over my face before applying my foundation. For foundation, I'm using my go-to, which is Milani's Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade 910. Now back to my eyes. I've already did my brows off camera, so now I'm going to line my eyes with LA Girl's Line Art Matte Eyeliner. To conceal under my eyes and the high points of my face, I'm using Colourpop's No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32, and I'm blending that out with a damp makeup sponge. I'm using Colourpop Sculpting Stick in the shade Easy Peasy to contour my nose and under my cheekbones. Then I'm blending that out with the same damp makeup sponge. To set my concealer, I'm using Airspun's Loose Face Powder in the shade Naturally Neutral. To set my contour, I'm using Black Radiant Setting Powder in the shade Rich Mahogany, which is my favorite setting powder to use to set my contour. To bronze my face up a little bit, I'm taking Absolute New York's Pro Bronzer in the shade Light and applying it around the areas I contoured. Now moving on to blush, I'm taking BH Cosmetics Classic Blush Palette and I'm using this coral shade and I'm applying it to my cheeks. To highlight, I'm taking BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant Illuminating Bronzing Palette, and I'm highlighting all the high points of my face. If y'all have not noticed yet, I use a lot of BH Cosmetics products. They are some of my favorite products to use, and they're extremely affordable. And no, this video is not sponsored. To set my brows in place, I'm using E.L.F's Brow Gel, and then for my lashes, I'm using Nicka K's Multifunction Mascara. To wrap up this look, I'm using No. 7's High Shine Lip Gloss, and that is all that I have for this video, you guys. If y'all liked it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.